There was a time in my life when I saw the Bible as just a book, a collection of stories, rules, and verses people quoted on Sundays. But when I started reading it daily, something shifted. It stopped being just a book and became a lifeline. The Bible is more than ancient history, it's guidance for today. It's comfort when you're anxious, direction when you're lost, and truth when the world feels confusing. Every day, I find something new in its pages. Sometimes a verse that calms my heart, sometimes a challenge that pushes me to grow. There are moments I open it randomly, and somehow the words speak directly to what I'm going through. That's not coincidence, that's God. Reading the Bible daily doesn't mean spending hours in study. Sometimes it's 5 minutes, one verse, one moment of connection. And yet, those 5 minutes have changed the way I speak, how I treat others, and how I see myself. It's not about being religious. It's about relationship with God, with truth, with peace. And the beauty is, it never returns empty. You may not feel something every single time you read it, but over time, it shapes you. It builds your faith. It builds your life. If you've been struggling, searching, or just trying to find clarity in this noisy world, start with the Bible. Not because you have to, but because you need to. We all do. Let's not wait until Sunday. Let's open His Word daily, one step at a time, one verse at a time. Let God